Hills around the town reminded the European settlers of Scotland. Shillong has steadily grown in size since it was made the civil station of the Khasi and Jaintia Hills in 1864 by the British. Mawsyngram. Mawsyngram is a village in the East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya state in northeastern India, 65 kilometers from Shillong. The name of the village contains Maw, a Khasi word meaning stone, and thus might refer to certain megaliths in the surrounding area. Natural landmarks. Located in Mawsyngram is a cave named Mawjambon, known for its stalagmites. Jowai. Jowai is the headquarters of West Jaintia Hills district of the state of Meghalaya, India, and is home to the Nar tribe. It is a scenic place located on a plateau surrounded on three sides by the Maidoo River bordering Bangladesh to the south. Due to its high altitude of 1,380 meters above sea level, Jowai experiences warm and pleasant summers with cool to chilly winters. Tura. Tura is a hilly town and a municipality in West Garo Hills district in the Indian state of Meghalaya. One of the largest towns in Meghalaya, Tura is a valley located at the foothills of the Tura Hills and right below the Tura Peak. The climate in Tura is moderate throughout the year and has a large number of interesting and unexplored areas. Best tourist attraction in Meghalaya. Latlam Canyon. If you're a true trekker, then the Latlam Canyon should make it to your bucket list of trekking expeditions in the northeast. The terrain is a bit difficult to maneuver, but with the right tools and a firm grasp of the local guidelines, it is a trek worth taking. Easily completed in the span of about 4-5 hours, the panoramic view of Meghalaya from the top is breathtaking. Double-decker living root bridge. The double-decker living root bridge, in the heart of the rainiest place in India, Cherrapunji, Meghalaya. But like it's said, all good things come after a tumultuous journey. The trek to the bridge located in Nongrat village. After about 2,000 slippery steps down the moss-covered stairs, where even athletes need to carry a cane to avoid an injury. Ailong Park. The Ailong Park, about 10 km from Jowai, is a hidden gem, often left out from plans made to the state of Meghalaya. The Ailong Park is where you need to be to unwind and relax from the overwhelming views and treks during your trip. Leisurely activities like fishing and walks are a great way to relax and take in the natural landscape of Meghalaya. Balpakram National Park. The Balpakram National Park in Tura, Meghalaya is among the several places to visit in Meghalaya for all levels of nature enthusiasts. The landscape mainly consists of canyons and gorges and overlooking the panoramic view of Tangguhore in Bangladesh. Locals in Meghalaya believe that the naturally occurring rock structures are a home to the departed ancestral souls. Umiam Lake. If you plan to visit Umiam Lake in the winter time, from October to February, you'll be dumbfounded by its beauty. Located in Nongpo, Meghalaya, the Umiam Lake is basically made from the reservoir built due to the dam here. During the winter months, the lake fills up with water that gives it an unbelievably picturesque beauty. Siju Cave. The Siju Cave, located in Meghalaya since the beginning of 20th century, remains one of the chief sources of observing natural phenomena among cave researchers. It is the first lime-lighted natural cave in India, is also known as the Bat Cave, owing to the abundance of these nocturnal mammals here. Excavators and tourists are alike at the naturally occurring physical phenomena of this cave in Meghalaya. Population of Meghalaya. Meghalaya had population of which male and female are 70,135 and 73,094 respectively. Literacy rate in Meghalaya has seen upward trend and is 74.43% as per 2011 population census. Meghalaya city consists of various educational institutes like District Institute of Education and Training and many more. The state of Meghalaya is situated on the northeast of India. It extends for about 300 kilometers in length and about 100 kilometers in breadth. Famous dishes of Meghalaya. Jador is a different type of rice cooked by the Meghalayans. It is basically red rice, cooked with generous amounts of pork meat. Pudor is also a dish made from boiled, powdered rice, with the difference being the addition of pork pieces. It is a delicious soup which is taken mainly after a heavy spicy meal. Nakam is a special kind of dry fish, which is sun-dried or fire-dried. Dokli is a delicious salad made of pork, onion and chili. This dish is considered as good for skin as it helps to enhance the glow of our skin. Pumelo essentially means powdered rice, which has been steamed. A unique pot called Kurani is used to cook the rice. Doniang is a pork curry dish that screams indulgence. Fried pork served with a rich, a humble everyday meal of the peasant community of Meghalaya. Tangrimbe is a wholesome dish flavored by delicious ingredients and served with love. Shillong Airport, also known as Umroi Airport, is a civilian airport located at Umroi, 30 kilometers from Shillong, Meghalaya, India. Mehndi Pathar Railway Station is a railway station located in Resubailpara Municipal Board jurisdiction, Meghalaya, India. Meghalaya Chief Minister Mukul Sangma has asked railway officials to work out plans and design for rail connectivity between Shillong and Sohra. Meghalaya has lowest crime rate of 109.85 compared to national crime rate 218.67 in 2013. Meghalaya city consists of various road transport services like Meghalaya Transport Corporation and many more. Hidden away in the subtle hills of eastern sub-Himalayas is Meghalaya, one of India's most beautiful states. Khasi is an Austroasiatic language spoken primarily in Meghalaya state in India by the Khasi people. Shillong, the capital of the state, is a popular hill station. There are several falls in and around Shillong. The Don Bosco Museum situated in Shillong is one of the major tourist destinations of Meghalaya.